High winds and seas are expected to develop as remnants from Super Typhoon Nuri create a major storm in the Bering Sea late this week. Good afternoon, everyone. This is meteorologist Dave Snyder at the Anchorage National Weather Service Forecast Office. Super Typhoon Nuri is already one of 2014's most powerful cyclones in the western Pacific. As this typhoon weakens, the potential for a major Bering Sea storm will develop from the remnants of Nuri. A rapidly intensifying storm may create high seas and hurricane-force winds starting in the western Aleutians as early as Friday night. Here's the weather setup today. Nuri is located about 700 nautical miles south of Tokyo. The cyclone will quickly move into the North Pacific late Thursday as it moves toward the western Bering Sea. As this happens, the low will undergo a period of rapid intensification. Current forecast models suggest the low drops from about 970 millibars late Thursday night to somewhere between 918 to 922 millibars late Friday night. This would create a significant event, as the current record lowest pressure observed in the Bering Sea is 925 millibars, measured at Dutch Harbor on October 25, 1977. Here are some impacts we expect to develop in the region. In the western and central Aleutians, a large swath of hurricane-force winds will be possible from Shemya eastward to Adak and Atka late Friday and again on Saturday. Seas will build to around 45 feet or possibly higher due to the strong pressure falls and resulting high winds. Expect hazardous conditions for all unsheltered marine vessels. In the Pribilof Islands, strong southwest winds will begin to impact the Pribilofs Saturday and on Sunday. High seas of 22 to 32 feet on a persistent southwesterly fetch are expected. Expect hazardous conditions for all unsheltered marine vessels in this area. In coastal southwest Alaska, minor coastal flooding and coastal erosion may develop on Sunday and Monday as high seas in the southern Bering reach the shore. However, these seas should not be as high as what the Pribilof Islands will experience. Some villages may see slush pile up along the coastline. At this time, there is high forecast confidence in the overall intensity of the low-pressure system. However, there is still some uncertainty to the exact placement and the track of the low as it moves into the Bering Sea. The situation will be monitored closely, and this statement will be updated throughout the remainder of the week when new data is available. Continue to monitor Marine VHF, NOAA Weather Radio, the Alaska Weather Show, and your local media outlets for updates, as well as the National Weather Service social media channels and weather.gov/Anchorage. For the Alaska National Weather Service, I'm meteorologist Dave Snyder.